Hi, welcome back to New Look. Today I am going to show 3 simple natural homemade remedies for your face. Now getting into the process. The first beauty remedy is, for this you require curd and rose water. Take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of curd and a tablespoon of rose water. Mix both the ingredients thoroughly. And apply it on your face. Also, you can apply this on your whole body, legs, hands, back, neck, back of your body, the feet, like this. Take a mixture and apply on your face. Dab gently all over your face. It moisturizes your skin. The curd contains lactic acid in it. It will be very helpful for your skin tone. After 20 minutes, just wash it off with normal water. You can use this mask regularly for better. The second remedy is, for this you require rose water and coconut oil. Take a bowl, add a tablespoon of rose water into the bowl and a tablespoon of coconut oil. Allow the mixture to dissolve, water into oil and oil into water. And massage with this mixture all over your body. It nourishes your skin deeply and opens up the pore, and dirt will be removed from your entire body. This is very effective and very useful for your skin. Do try this. If you want, I will show. Just take a mixture with the tip of your fingers and gently massage like this on your whole body. Like this. If you want, you can take another small amount and you can massage like this slowly, clockwise direction as well as anti-clockwise direction. Please take some extra care wherever your body parts are black in color, like your elbows, knees, back, neck, your lower chin, forehead. Do try this video, it will do miracles in overnight. After washing your body, you can feel soft like touch. You can observe instantly because you are using a coconut oil which nourishes your skin very quickly. Now the third process is, for this you require a tomato, a fruit and rose water. Take a bowl, squeeze the tomato juice. If you want, you can boil this tomato and squeeze the juice by blending the tomato. I'm using 1 full tomato. Mash up if you have any tangles. And add a tablespoon of rose water to this tomato squeeze. tomato. Bright red, tangy and full of goodness. Tomatoes have so much of offer, not just for your overall health but also for your glowing skin. Apart from being used in the culinary oil to add extra zest and color, antioxidants and other essential nutrients present in the tomatoes can make your skin spots and blemish free too. Tomatoes are known to have astringent and soothing properties along with a healthy boost of vitamin C that helps to reduce acne, dark spots, etc. It replenishes the skin with natural acidic properties and flushes out the excess oil from your skin. While you may have used tomatoes in the form of a commercially bought face washes or cleansers and the toners, we bring some amazing natural tomato based remedy that will definitely give your facial skin a complete makeover. Tomatoes are one among the vegetables that add taste to your dishes. Also, it has a variety of health benefits apart from getting a taste. Recently, people have also found out the beauty benefits of tomato. The extracts of tomato are used by many cosmetic manufacturing companies to make a face wash, face packs and face masks. Now I am going to show how to do a face mask with this tomato mixture. Here I used a tomato squeeze and a rose water. Now take a brush, dip into the mixture and apply this mixture onto your face. This tomato also do miracles like potato. It instantly whitens your skin. This is the overnight miracle remedy. You all can try at your home. If you use this remedy daily while going to your bed, within just 2 to 3 weeks, your skin will get 2 times lighter than now. Let it dry for 15 minutes. After this, wash it off with lukewarm water, not cold water. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Do try these 3 natural homemade face packs or face remedies, whatever you want. You just use it in your home. You will see the miracle results instantly. Hope you like the video. Please give a big thumbs up and share with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel, New Look.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.